Good evening viewers and welcome to another Shane McRetro video. Today we're going to be having a quick look at the Denon something 100, and it is quite a beast. As you can possibly see here, I can't tell because I'm doing a voiceover without the video, the CD drive is ejecting. The fault was the CD drive does not eject. Therefore, we solved most of the problem. I think we're probably up to the slow-mo replay at the moment. I can't really tell at all, but we've got some great pictures coming up for you at the 1 minute mark in approximately 20 seconds. What a time to be alive. Only 10 more seconds. So essentially this unit was repaired 2 times. Here is the initial repair, which was carried out using a rubber band found in a drawer. The original rubber band had degraded completely. As you can see, it is the wrong color for such a high-end piece of machinery. And here is the final repair, with a black rubber band. Thanks for watching. McRetro out!